So amaran P60C, let's do a quick unboxing. After that I'll tell you a couple of thoughts what I do and don't like about it.
A honeycomb. Exactly. A bag with something interesting in it, which is... oh, nice. And that's a softbox. Very nice. I always liked the bags that Aputure makes. Amazing bags, and they are always included with their products. So we have a power cable, some kind of a fixation here. Wow, that's solid. Feels like magnesium all around. Unexpected. The previous one that I had used everything plastic. The one that's called 673 something. Let me show it to you, just wait. Yeah, this one, everything is made of plastic, which is nasty. It never broke or anything, but yeah, it's prone to be broken. Okay, respect. Putting this back. And a power brick. And I do like their connectors. Those are always very high quality and usually easy to use. Okay, we've got a seal, which is something new. Haven't seen this before. Done by Aputure. Very nice touch. Opening. The device itself, which feels so premium. Very heavy. Lots of iron. Lots of high quality plastic. Amazing. So I do own products from Aputure, and this one is nothing like the new 60C. Nothing like. Used to be lower quality, but this one, the build quality is just amazing. Nice, very nice. The softbox, you see there are two sticks. You put them together like this, and it's done. The distance is not huge. However, there's a reflective material inside, which adds a little bit to the lumens there, and the honeycomb goes right on top.
So I've been using amaran P60C for a while now, and I actually use it as the fill light for the backgrounds. It can be used as the key light for portrait shots and for interviews, but for that I'd prefer to have a regular cob light with a big softbox. That works much better. P60C is more like for field shots and something like that. Honeycomb is nice, but you cannot use the honeycomb without the softbox that is included, so that one I don't like. Apart from that, so I've been using it for more than a year, and it's awesome. The output is nice, and it's very nice for some specific use cases, but not for all of the use cases. So think wisely before you purchase this.